Hey everybody, it's Dr. Baker from East Cobb Spine Sport Chiropractic. I'm hanging out with
Randy Edwards.
Randy. You're from, you played football where?
Grew up here in Marietta, played at Wheeler High School, went to play for one of the two greatest coaches in college football history, Paul Bear Bryant, and then Chuck Knox.
Yeah, right on. Out from Seattle. Tracy and I kind of, we'll let you come in here. That's the only reason why we let you in here. We're so busy here because you're from Seattle. No. And what's really neat is you came in here. You've been dealing with what? What's been going on?
Everything. The most recent thing is neck, shoulder, and elbow.
Yeah. And talk about the shoulder. What's been going on with the shoulder? You tore.
I tore the rotator cuff 40 years ago. Never had surgery on it. Was able to rehab it and get back over 500-pound bench. But as I get into my 60s, it hurts more than it used to.
Yeah. And you came in after first visit. What'd you tell me? How many push-ups did you do?
Well, I hadn't done any for months.
Yeah.
And then last week I was able to do 25 or so, not at once, but
Yeah.
that's far more. And yesterday I did over 30.
Yeah, this is the brilliance. And what else surprised you a little bit? What about this knee that's artificial and we adjusted? Have you ever had anybody ever adjusted a fake knee?
No, I had my knee replaced 9 years ago. It's been in constant pain since then. He did a little pull on it. It loosened up. The pain has not gone away, but it's much better, and I just feel much better.
And it's stronger too. That's the neat thing about it, right? So the nervous system, what we talk about too, is getting that energy flow to it so that it can fire like it's supposed to. Problem is if you're big and strong and you're trying to push the body and you're not training it with good movement, it's going to break down faster.
Right.
Hey, appreciate you doing this. We call this a bacon bit. I know you never got to see the end of this. But hey, we appreciate you guys paying attention. Thanks for doing this. Go Hawks. And we'll see you guys again on the next one.
Roll Tide.